Hi, everyone! Today we bring you an installation video for an outdoor courtyard lighting. First, please open the package. The package contains one main product unit and one accessory kit. First, remove the two screws from the outer casing. Please store the removed mounting screws securely. We'll need to reinstall them later. Next, remove the lampshade housing and the lampshade separately. Please remove the protective packaging from the glass lampshade. Next, prepare to mount this device to the top of the enclosure. First, remove the silver retaining nut. Then install it into the cavity at the top of the housing. Then install the retaining nut that was just removed into the interior of the housing. Place the fixed metal plate in the installation location. Before proceeding, we must secure the screws that hold the product to the metal frame. Then you can place it where you want to install it and mark it with a marker pen. Please use an electric drill to make holes. Next, hammer the screw sleeve into the hole you just made. Screw the bolts into the holes. Remove the two nuts from the top of the fixed metal plate. Keep them in a safe place. You'll need to reinstall them later. Connect the product base's wiring to your power supply cable. Cover the product. Reinstall the two nuts on the base mounting plate that was just removed. Install the light bulb into the product. Next, place the glass cover into. Please place the metal cover into the housing. Reinstall the outer casing mounting screws that were previously removed. That completes the installation. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.